Nation? We're here today working on this beautiful car, GT4 RS. So it's gonna be a big project in this car. But the first thing we're gonna start is we're gonna start with the window tints. So now we're gonna start with the process of clean the window first, and then mold it, and then install it. First thing, we're gonna have to cover the door panel because we don't want to get the door panel wet. All right. Second one, we're gonna clean the window or prep it. First thing, I'm gonna use my metal race. I'm gonna use my scratchy pad. So making sure you guys hit every inch. Don't miss any spot, okay? So now, I'm gonna go all over the edges with this tool right here. So, because we gotta clean the edge too. All the rubber seals. You gotta make sure to clean that real nice. Because remember guys, the tint is gonna go into the rubber seal. Alright, that's pretty much it. So now we're going to the next step is mold the tint. So now we're going to put the tint on the outside of the window. Because we're going to mold it first. So when you put the tint on the window, the liner has to be faced to you. Alright? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pull all the edges down. And I'm going to put all my fingers right here on the bottle. So now to get rid of all these fingers, we're going to use my heat gun. The temperature, I like to put it real hot. It's a 900 degrees on it. So, and also guys, I want you guys to be careful with the rubber seal right here. I don't want you guys burning the seal. So very be careful when you guys do this process, okay? And also we're doing 35% ultimate IR. So this material is pretty resistant to the heat. So now we're gonna start, when you see the finger like that, you gotta start up, down. Push it down. Push it down again. So now we're going to continue to do all this process until we get all those little fingers out. Push it down again. Now the next step is going to be, we're going to peel the liner like a half away, a little bit more than half away, okay? And then we're going to install it. So if you see fingers like that, don't worry about it, okay? The reason you see fingers like that is because the window has a lot of curve on it, but when you put the tint on the inside of the window, it's going to be fine. So the next step is I'm going to quick the window one more time. I'm going to clean the window real nice one more time. And then I'm going to peel the liner. Actually, I'm going to do the whole thing. I'm going to peel the whole thing. So first thing, you gotta get rid of all those fingers you got in there, okay? So you gotta make sure, or try to make sure that the tint and get it completely flat. So now we're gonna push the window out and we're gonna slide it down. So the reason I peel the whole thing, the whole liner, it's because there's a window frameless. So it's more easy to do windows like that, okay? So the next step you gotta make sure is to line the tint real nice, because you don't want to go over the edge, okay? Not even this side, because if that happens, the tint is going to start lifted up. So that's why you have to make a little bit gap between the glass and the tint. All right, the other step you can do it is you got to rub your fingers on top of the edge of the window. And if you don't feel the tint, that means you're good, okay? All right, so now we're gonna squish all the water. You gotta start from the middle to the edges, okay? So now we're gonna make sure one more time to, the tint doesn't slide, like out of the position we want it. So we're gonna check one more time. It's good. So now we're gonna squeeze it one more time, but it's gonna be more pressure on it. All right guys, so the side window tints are done. So stay tuned because this car is gonna be full body PPF also, all right?